Okay, so we did a really easy example last time with the base 5 division. This time I want to do a slightly more difficult, but still easy example. We are still going to divide by 2, and that means we're going to form two groups, like as you saw last time. So let's just put down two groups first. So we have two groups here. That's one group, and then that's another group. It doesn't matter where you put the groups, you can put it here, you can put it here. Last time I put it horizontally, but this time I'm just going to put one on top of the other, but actually doesn't matter, right? So now we are going to put down the pieces, and we have two. This time you're going to get a remainder. As you can see that there was an odd number here, and you're dividing by even number. So we are not going to be able to put the same amount of pieces in each group evenly if you really want to put all the pieces into the groups. And so let's actually do the problem, and then you will see. We have what? We have two longs, right? We have two longs. I remember drawing like four longs last time, so that was just getting too excited. And so now this time we have two longs, and then we have 3 units, right? So we have 1 and then 2 and then 3. Yeah, so we're ready to put the pieces into the groups. And just like last time, we are going to put the longs first, right? So we move one long in here, and then remember that if you put one long in one group, you need to put another a long in the other group, right? So we'll need to put it in here, and then so one long here, I mean one unit here, and one unit in here, and then one unit in here. Yeah, so. And then what do you do with this? What do you do with this one? This one, now if you try to put one in here, the problem is, remember that I said you need to put the pieces into each group evenly, right? With the same amount of pieces. But now you put one in here, then you do not have another one to put into the second group. So we actually cannot put that in there. That will become your remainder. Yeah, so that will become your remainder piece. And so let me write that down. Yeah, so that's your remainder. This piece is your remainder. Yeah. And so the remainder is 1 in this case. We still need to write down the final answer, and so we are going to write it down as now the quotient that you are getting would be whatever how many pieces that you have inside each group, right? So you have 1 long and 1 unit. So the answer would be 1 long, 1 unit. So that looks like the number 11, right? 1 long, 1 unit. And then you do have a remainder, right? So the remainder is just that one single piece. Yeah, so we have that remainder. But because we are doing things in base 5, so this is still a base 5 numeral, so we still put down the subscript. And we are going to do more examples next time with single digit divisors, and thank you for watching this video.